When we downloaded Packet Tracer from netacad.com, I pointed out that on this site there are a bewildering number of free learning experiences and courses, and you should by all means take advantage of this. So what I want to do in this video is work through an exercise. So of course I need to log in, and I'm interested in going to the Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer course, and you should certainly work through this. And I'm interested in going through section 2.1 here, build a home network. And you can create files, packet tracer files, that are with the extension PKA, Packet Tracer Activity, and that's what we have here. This is just another form of the instructions that are in this, and this is a download. So I'm going to click on Create a Simple Network here, and it's going to download it, and I've downloaded it a couple times before. Create a Simple Network, and I'm going to click on this to open it up. Now, I mentioned this in the downloading video. You want to click on Skills for All. And then you're going to have to log in. So now you can actually close this tab, and Packet Tracer is running. So this is the format of a PKA file, a Packet Tracer Activity file. So you've got instructions over here, and they've given you something of a starting point here. So let's work through this. And a previous attempt I made at this, or I did a couple of things out of order, and therefore it didn't work properly. So let's pay attention this time and do everything in order. So the objectives here is to build a simple network, and you'll see that what we're going to build here is pretty much what you have at home, your home network, or at least part of your home network. So let's go through the instructions. Part 1. So we're going to build a simple network by deploying and connecting network devices in the logical workspace. Now, we have a logical workspace and a physical workspace. We're going to spend some time doing this later. It actually doesn't work in this particular PKA configuration or this file. So step 1, add network devices to the workspace. We're going to need a PC, a laptop, and a cable modem. And it gives you instructions on how to do this, and also tells you what a cable modem is. So here's where we're going to get these at. To get the PC, we're going to go to End Devices and then PC. So down in this bottom left-hand corner is where this is going to happen, where we're going to get our components. So this is the icon for network devices, and when I click that, notice you get all these here. These are all routers. Here are End Devices, and we're looking for a PC. So there's the PC. So if I click on this, then I can come out here and click here, and there's my PC. Okay. We also want a laptop. This is also under End Devices, and it's right there. Now let's put the laptop up there. And then finally, we want a cable modem, and this is under Network Devices, Wide Area Network Emulation, and finally cable modem. So network devices is here, and sometimes you drop down here Now all these here are subsets of what you click on this top row. So if we come across here, this thing looks kind of like a cloud, is WAN emulation. So if I click there, here's the devices that are included in Packet Tracer for these types of equipment. So I'm going to click on cable modem, and I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to drag and drop this over a little bit, give myself a little room. And you can actually drag these over as well. And again, I'm just trying to give myself a little room here. So that's step one. Step two, change the display names of the network devices. And if you look at these, what we're basically doing here is we are taking the zeros off. So we want PC and not PC0, laptop instead of laptop 0, cable modem instead of cable modem 0. So to do that, we're going to just click, and it's a left click. And it kind of throws me off every time because I'm expecting to do a right click and something happen. That doesn't work in Packet Tracer. Now what you see there is if you hover your mouse and hold it still, it will give you some information about the connections, etc., and configuration on that device. And as soon as you move it, you lose it. So if I want to actually do something with this device, you click, left click, and this opens up this window. And depending on what the device is, you have a number of tabs here. Okay, so the physical tab shows you the device itself. These are all modules that you could install in this device, and we'll get to that shortly. We have a config tab where you can do some configuration. For example, if I wanted to set up the networking here, I can click on Fast Ethernet 0, and if I wanted a static IP number, I would enter it here. If I want this PC to obtain its IP address automatically, I would click on DHCP, and I'll do that in a moment. If you click on the desktop tab, there's a number of things here that are available to you. We will use some of these, and we're not going to get to programming, but there's a tab for that. So you can close this every time, or just click here and it'll fade into the background, and it's there when you need it. Let's just do this. Under config, we can come in here, and this annoys me. Whatever time you click there, you get this, which means you have to click again to get rid of that. Backspace. Notice this happens immediately. You don't have to click OK or anything. See, just like before, keeps giving you that annoys me. I guess let's go on and hit the backspace. There's probably somewhere in here you can turn that off. There's a lot of things you can configure here. I probably pointed this out before. This is actually a simulation, and that means it's a program that actually have all these devices simulated. So it's pretty amazing, really. I've done step 2. Step 3 is let's add some physical cabling between the devices. So it says using the device type selection box, which I'm assuming this is what it's calling this. Add physical cabling. In the PC, you'll need a copper straight through to connect to the wireless router. Now, I mentioned a while ago that this is pretty much what you're going to have at home. The assumption is here you're getting your internet through the cable TV system. And besides a modem of some sort, and if you're getting it through the telephone, like a DSL line or something, you'll have a different type of modem, but it's still a modem. And you'll connect typically a wireless router to that, and most wireless routers have typically 4 or 5 wired switch ports on them, and this one has 4 or 5. So if your PC is close to your wireless router, you can actually connect with a cable, and that's what they're telling you to do here in number 1. So to do that, we click on the little lightning bolt here. That gets us our connections. Now these are all different types of connections, and this one is a copper straight through. So if you click on that and pull it up here, notice this does kind of look like the end of a Cat 5 or 6 cable. So if I click here on the PC, where I was going, and these are the interfaces available on the PC. And don't worry about these for the time being. We'll probably use these later, different exercise. So click on Fast Ethernet 0 here, and we're going to the wireless router. So go up here and click again, and these are what's available on this device. So I'm going to go with Ethernet 1. Now, you'll notice we have a green triangle here. That means this interface is up. We have a red dot here. This means this one hasn't come up yet. By up, I mean it's functioning. Now this will change. It just takes a little while. So we can go on with our configuration here. So let's see, that's part A. Part B is the wireless router will need a copper straight through cable to connect to the cable modem. So we need another straight through. And what are we connecting here? We're going to go from the internet interface of the wireless router to port 1 on the cable modem. So you click here and notice there's the internet connection, and then we go over here and we click on port 1. So that's that connection. Notice those come up right away, and this one is also now up. And sometimes if you pick, well, often if you pick the wrong type of cable, these will never turn green. So that's a good indication that you need to check your cabling. So that's part B. Part C, we need to connect the cable modem with a coax cable to the internet cloud. So there's your cloud, there's your cable modem. Let's see, we want to do port 0 on the cable modem and coaxial 7 in the cloud. So this one here, this blue one, is actually a coax. So you click on that, come up to your cable modem, there's your port 0, it's the only one that's left. You come over here, and the one at the bottom is coax 7. Okay, so we've done those connections, and the laptop's going to be wireless, so we don't need to run a cable to it. Part 2, configure the end devices and verify connectivity. So in this part, we're going to connect the PC and the laptop to the wireless router. It points out that the PC is connected using an Ethernet cable. For the laptop, you will replace the wired Ethernet network interface card with a wireless NIC and connect the laptop to the router wirelessly. So I mentioned that a while ago. We're going to swap out a component. Let's go here and do this in order. Configure the PC first. So we're going to go to click on the PC, left click. In the desktop tab, navigate to IP configuration to verify that DHCP is enabled and the PC has received an IP address. So desktop configures IP configuration. Right now it's set up for static configuration. We want to switch it over to DHCP. And notice shortly thereafter, it gets an IP address. And we'll talk about this in a moment. It also gets a subnet mask, it gets a default gateway, and a DNS server. So DHCP's worked. And something I want to show you here that's actually not in the instructions. If you do click on the wireless router, what you're going to see here under the GUI is what you would see if you connected to this from the inside your local area network to the IP address of the default gateway, and this is the web interface that you can use to configure this device. Now, you may not have ever done this, but you can, and you have one at home that will let you do this. What we're looking at here is the configuration for DHCP, and this is the default gateway's IP number, 192.168.0.1. There's its subnet mask. You can check here for reservations. You can add reservations, etc. This one has actually been given out to our PC. So this is what you would see if you actually connected to your home device. Well, something similar. This happens to be a Cisco device. If you've got a different type of router, wireless access point, it's going to be slightly different. It's pretty much the same functionality. So I thought that was pretty neat that you get to, it's that realistic. So that's just a little aside there. So we verified that we've selected DHCP for the PC and it has obtained an IP address. Now, I want to point out something else here. In the real world, enabling DHCP on a typical Windows PC doesn't look like this. Okay, so there's some things in Packet Tracer where the functionality is the same as on a real computer, but it doesn't look the same. So you just have to get used to that. So, and this is one of those examples. And some things are pretty realistic. Like you click on command prompt, that's pretty much what it looks like on a regular Windows PC. If you click on config here, notice DHCP is now selected here. It wasn't a while ago. There's your default gateway. So we've got the PC configured to use DHCP. And if you don't remember what DHCP is from your networking class, you need to review that, because this is one of those things you just have to know how these things work. So that's the PC. Let's see, there were some other things it wanted us to do here. So we've got the IP configuration, and it says, and I was right there a while ago, it says click on the desktop and the command prompt, and we can type in one of my favorite commands, ipconfig, and a slash and all, and press enter, and we're given the configuration of all of our networks. Now it gives us Bluetooth information. We're not using Bluetooth. So here's our IP address. Version 4 is 192.168.0.2. The subnet mask 255.255.255.0 or /24, and we'll get used to using that kind of configuration, or nomenclature, I guess would be a better word. There's your default gateway, and there's your DHCP server, and there's your DNS, and all this information came from the DHCP server. And the way this all works is if you want one line at a time, you hit enter, If you want like a whole screen at a time, you press the space bar. And again, we're not using Bluetooth. We did this to verify that our IP configuration is correct and one that'll work. So that's this part here. Part D says let's test the connectivity to the Cisco server from the PC. So it says issue from the command prompt, issue the command ping Cisco server. And sometimes it takes a while for it to happen. And again, this is a simulation of real world devices. Sometimes it's really quick, sometimes it takes a few seconds. But we're getting replies from this IP number, which in this simulation has obviously been assigned to the Cisco server. Now, there's some other things going on here, and this is one of those fundamental things you really have to know. To ping this, there is a DNS lookup. So this PC, virtual as it is, will consult with a DNS server, which we've got configured up here, right there, and will obtain the IP address that corresponds to this name, Cisco.server. Now, this all happens in the background, but it's one of those kind of things, foundational knowledge, that you really have to know. And one of the reasons it's important is if something's not working, you can use that information. So if I did a ping here for Cisco's server and it didn't work, and if I knew this IP address and pinged it and it did work, that would tell me that the problem is with DNS. So that's the reason you really need to know how these things work. So that's always good information to have there. The other thing I would caution you on is ping is okay when it works, but if it doesn't work, that's non-definitive, because the destination device or some intervening device could be blocking the ping request or the ping replies. So you can still have connectivity, and even though ping doesn't work for you. So try ping, but just always keep in mind it's not definitive whether something is actually connected. We've checked this out, so we're down through part D here. So now let's go configure the laptop. So click on the laptop, go to the physical tab, and this is a view of the side of the laptop. And let's see here, it tells us we need to remove the Ethernet copper module and replace it with the wireless WPC300N module. So first we have to power off the laptop. And this is a pretty common thing inside of Packet Tracer. There's a power button, and you have to power things off to change out components. Power back on, it takes a while typically for the device to boot up. So if I click here, notice I've lost my little green LED, which means this is turned off. So to remove this, we need to remove the currently installed Ethernet copper module by clicking on it and then dragging it over to the modules pane. So this is the module. So click and drag, and it pops over here, and it's in there somewhere. I forgot what the name of it is, but notice we have an open slot now. And by the same token, we need to drag the WPC300N, which is up here, to this slot and then release. So now it's been installed. And now we can power on the laptop and move on with our instructions here. Part C, with the wireless module installed, connect the laptop to the wireless network. We're going to click the desktop tab and select the PC wireless. Let's see, desktop. PC wireless is here, and again, this is another one of those situations where if you were really doing this on a real laptop, it's going to look somewhat different than what it does inside a Packet Tracer. It's the same concept, it's the same functionality, it's just going to look a little different. This is what we have to work with here, and if you read the instructions, it says in part D here, select the Connect tab and give it a moment. So after a slight delay, the wireless network home network will be visible in the list of wireless networks. So your wireless interface has detected this network and shown it to you. And so we're going to select this and then we're going to connect. Okay, and then it says close the PC wireless. And that's the X right here. And then it says select the web browser. And this is another one of the things that's available to you on the desktop. We could have done this same thing with the PC, by the way. So here, for the URL, we want to type Cisco SRV and then click Go. And we get a web page. You can click on these and verify that there's, something there. There's your Cisco logo. We've actually worked through all of the configuration and verified that everything works. And actually, I've showed you several things that aren't in the instructions. What we've done here is pretty well indicative of any other type of network configuration you want to simulate in Packet Tracer. You place the desired devices, you connect with the proper cables, you do the necessary configuration, and then you test as best you can. And we'll be doing other exercises using Packet Tracer. And when, to a certain extent, we can do fairly realistic troubleshooting when things go wrong. So, as I pointed out when we downloaded Packet Tracer, this is a marvelous learning tool, and you can also use it to check configurations. If you happen to have a production network that uses Cisco components, routers and switches, etc., you can test a lot of your configurations in Packet Tracer and verify that they work the way you want them to. And actually, you can then save the configuration and actually take it out and load that into a real device, which is pretty cool. So, work through this, answer these questions, and there will be more to do in Packet Tracer.